have to make fufu for your in-law. If you have in-law, gather here. If you have party, gather here. If you have wedding, traditional marriage, gather here. So today I will make it so easy for you to know how to make your fufu for your in-law. So keep watching. Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope you are doing fine. Today's video I'll be showing you how to make party fufu for your in-laws. So, and here are my fufu. This is hard rising Grieß, and I'm going to use this now to make fufu. Okay, and this is also purée. It is called purée, kartoffel purée or potato purée. I'll be using it also to mix this fufu. So keep watching and consider to subscribe to our channel and turn your notification on. So the next thing you will do is bring the water to boil. Here I added water in my pot. I will cook it now to bring it to the boil. Then we start to make the fufu, party fufu for the in-law. Keep watching, guys. So now the water is boiling, and we will start to make the fufu. I'll first remove water because I will be needing this water later, and I will reduce the light. Don't allow it to be too hot. Then begin to add the Grieß or the fufu gradually, as I'm doing now. Okay, add it gradually and be turning it. This type of fufu, if you don't know how to make fufu, you cannot get it right, because this can easily have lumps. So you have to turn it so fast so that it will not have lumps. Okay, it's not like oatmeal that is hard to have lumps. So you have to turn this as fast as you can to bring them to combine. You can be noticing now that it's getting thicker. Just add and turn. Okay, just like this. Now I'll go ahead to add the purée. The purée I opened, the potato purée I opened. This potato purée we make this fufu softer, or make it to bring them together. Okay, so watching how I turn it. So if you cannot do it in a big quantity like this, you can also be doing it small until you finish. And you need a very good spatula to turn it very fast, as I am doing now. So do you see that I am getting it? There is no lumps in it. Sorry. So continue turning before you can add water. Add the purée, make the purée and the fufu to rhyme together before you can add water. Now as the two have rhymed, I will go ahead to add water I removed initially. Okay, yeah. So and continue to turn. Hope you can see me because I'm using big pots. You continue turn. Make sure your turn will reach at the down of the pot, so that it's not going to be different from other side. So keep watching. Let me allow you to watch to the end, but please don't forget to like, share our videos to reach wider audience, share to your friends, your family. If you have not subscribed to our channel, do it now, please, and give us a comment. What do you think? Have you done party? Have you done Grieß or fufu for your in-law before? Have you done also fufu in a big quantity like this? Let me know if you can do this. Turn this fufu without having lumps. Let me know in the comment section. As I told you, this is not easy. It's only professionals can do this. So thank you so much for watching, and watch to the end, because don't go away, because I will show you how I will prepare it for the in-law. Okay, yeah, keep turning. You can see the grease is now good and well cooked. Do you see it? When it is hard, you can feel free to add more water and continue turning. But as it is now, it have cooked very well. So this is how to make party fufu for your in-laws, and they will eat and be happy. So guys, I added a small water again to allow it to cook very well. Okay, I added a little bit water. This one I will allow it to cook in a low heat for 1 minute. Then I'll turn it the last one before I can wrap it. So don't go away, so that you can see how I wrap it. Okay, okay, I will cover now to cook. You can see now it is cooking. I will cover to cook for 1-2 minutes. So now I will turn it more. I will use another spatula, a longer spatula, to turn it. This is exercise, hand exercise. If you don't want to have a Christian mother hand, I think this is the kind of exercise you will be engaging in. Yeah, a hand exercise. It takes away Christian mother hand. It is a type of exercise that will remove the Christian mother hand from your upper hand. So you can see now our party fufu, easy party fufu, is done. I'll call it easy party fufu because it's so easy to make when you know how to make fufu. Okay, so just a straight away preparing of food, party food. That's why it is so easy. So now it is done. I will go ahead to bring it out. Don't go. Let me show you how I'll bring them out and how I will wrap it. So as it is, I will off the stove or the gas and bring it out from the fire. So now I will be transferring it to this bowl here to allow it to get warm or to cool down before I can wrap it. Do you see how beautiful and well done this party fufu is? So let me know in the comment section if you're going to try it, if you have party, mostly people that eat fufu, let me know. So this is beautiful. Oh God, give me like, this is so beautiful. No lumps, nothing. Wow, this is perfect fufu for the in-laws. The in-laws will eat this and be happy. So you see the outcome of this fufu. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. Do you like it? Are you going to try it? Tell me in the comment section. In fact, try it whenever you have your in-laws. And also come here and tell me if you get it without lumps or your own have lumps. Only the expert can do this big fufu without lumps. Only the professional. Okay. So we allow it to cool down now before we can wrap it. Okay. If you wrap it, we're going to also add it in a cooler to keep it warm till the time to eat it. So thank you for watching. I will show you how to wrap it in a second now, or allow it to cool down first. So guys, before I wrap the fufu, I will go ahead to make another one, but this one now is gonna be oatmeal. Okay, for people who would not like to eat the other one I do, the first one, they will now eat this particular one. So I've already bring the water to boil. I will go ahead now to make it. My stove or my gas is also in a high heat. This is oatmeal. It doesn't. So now we are going to be wrapping it. I've allowed the grease or the fufu to settle down, to cool down, because I'll be using nylon to wrap it. So I'm going to wrap it in a way guys, you can see it is done. I've already wrapped it. I wrapped them now. This is the fufu, the first one I made, and this is the oatmeal fufu. In case someone wants, you can also take it. Okay, so I will now transfer it to my cooler to keep it warm till the time to eat it. Thank you so much for watching, and share this video. Bye for now. And this is the cooler. I added it in, so I will cover it to keep it warm.